Hey, Crunch Fed Clean friend. You want to hear some secrets that professional cleaners talk about behind your back? Okay. If it's going to be a super hot day, like let's say above 75, please leave your air conditioner on. Trust me, cleaners will appreciate that nice cool breeze when we're sweating our booties off cleaning your space. So don't worry about keeping us cold. We're going to like it. Thank you. You know what else we talk about? Payment. Yes, we would like to be paid day of service. Or if there's some type of contract where it's like a week after day of service, get the payment to us as quickly as possible. Because guess what? I have bills to pay too. So do you, but so do I. If we're performing a service, we would like to be paid for it. Unless it's volunteer work, that's a different story. But if I'm doing my job, I want to get paid. That would help. And communicate any issues or needs with your cleaner. We're not mind readers. I know we're amazing, but we're not that amazing. So communication is key. Comment down below if you want to hear any more cleaning secrets.